What's up, AXS Infinity? Today we will talk about the AXS Infinity pumps, because my brother in upcoming time holder asked me to really the pumps is coming soon or they will dumps down more and more, because the critical condition you can see my friend this time the same, the current condition is very critical now. So therefore they are not believe my friends to in upcoming time really the prices pumps up, because my brother if in those days you will buy it, so the price is very cheap. In upcoming pump, if they will pumps up, remember to they will make you millionaire. So I think this is a very important for all my viewers, my subscribers to understand now. Let's get start the brand video, but please if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, as you can see here, the AXS Infinity condition my friends, so it's very critical now, because totally dumps down. You can see here completely last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 24 last 7 days you can see here all change occur is completely you can see here decreasing and negative now. So therefore if we check out my friend this time the last 1 hour last 24-hour volume, so you can see here the volume is increasing. Remember to when the volume is increasing, then that's mean my friends to holders starting buying selling. And when when volume is increasing, so then the market cap is also increasing, and when market cap is starting increasing, then my friends remember to the price also staying occurring positive, and my friends totally the the market is increasing. So therefore my advice, my opinion is for all my viewers, my subscribers, to kindly hold down, because this time if you can see my friend expert says to every coin will moving in this circulation to after a pump they will dump, and after a pump they will dump. So therefore you can see my friend this time absolutely they will dumps down, but I am 100% sure to in upcoming days after this dump they will take a very huge pump. So therefore you will never need my friend to starting selling in those days. And be please if you are starting holding, I hope my friend you will take a very good chance my friends to get a profit now. So therefore you will need to wait for the end of this year. You will need my friends to enjoy my friends, sorry, you will need my friends to just and only wait for the 2022 last January my friend. I hope my friends so they will give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching my AXS Infinity holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.